हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। स्वागत है आप सबका चैनल पे। आज हम 8th क्लास का चैप्टर 1 नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज एंड देयर यूज़ की क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है हमारा, हाउ डू वी कैटेगराइज नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज। ठीक है, तो आंसर है नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज कैन बी कैटेगराइज बेस्ड ऑन देयर यूज सच एज एसेंशियल फॉर लाइफ, जैसे एयर, वाटर, सॉइल एंड मटेरियल्स लाइक मिनरल एंड वुड। दे कैन ऑल्सो बी classified as renewable or non-renewable based on their ability to replenish over time. Question number 2. What is the connection between the distribution of natural resources and different aspects of life? Answer है the distribution of resources affect where people live, jobs, trade, and even conflict. For example, areas with minerals attract industries while water-rich regions support farming. Sharing resources like river can lead to dispute between region or countries. Question number 3. What are the implications of unsustainable use over exploitation of natural resources? Answer है overuse lead to pollution, loss of biodiversity and climate change. For example, overpumping groundwater, dry up well and deforestation reduce wildlife habitats. Sustainable practices are needed to protect resources for future generations. Question number 4. What can make what is today renewable resources non-renewable tomorrow? Describe action to prevent this. Answer है a renewable resources can become non-renewable if it is used faster than nature can replace it. For example, cutting too many trees without replanting or overusing groundwater can deplete these resources. To prevent this, we should use resources at a sustainable rate. Next point है replant tree and protect forest. Next, reduce pollution affecting air, water and soil. Use traditional farming method to maintain soil health. Next, shift to renewable energy sources like solar and wind. Question number 5. Name 5 ecosystem functions that serve human. Answer है 5 important ecosystem functions that benefit humans. First है tree produce oxygen for us to breathe while absorbing carbon dioxide. Second है forest and wetland naturally filter water making it clean for drinking. Third, bee and pollinators help crop grow by transforming pollen between plants. Fourth, healthy soil support agriculture by providing nutrient for food crops. Fifth point है mangrove and coral reef protect coastlines from storm and erosion. Question number 6. What are renewable resources? How are they different from non-renewable ones? What can people do to ensure their ability? Give two example. Answer है renewable resources are natural material that can replenish over time like sunlight, wind and forest. They differ from non-renewable resources such as coal and oil take millions of years to form and cannot be replaced once used. To ensure renewable resources remain available, people should use them sustainability. For example, forests can be preserved by planting new tree to replace these cut down, and water can be conserved through rainwater harvesting. Another way is to reduce waste and pollution, like using solar energy instead of fossil fuel to prevent environmental damage. Question number 7. Identify cultural practice in your home and neighborhood that promote mindful use of natural resources. Answer है first, many culture practice so mindful use of natural resources. In home, people worship tulsi plant which provide oxygen and purified air. Second, never collect rainwater in traditional pot instead of wasting it. Third, farmers follow organic method like using cow dung as fertilizer to protect soil. Fourth, communities protect scarecrow where cutting trees is forbidden. Fifth, in festival clay, ideal and natural color are used to avoid pollution. Question number 8. What consideration should be kept in mind while producing goods for current use? Answer है when producing goods for current use, we must consider several important factors such as first है we should use renewable resources carefully without over exploiting them. Second, non-renewable resources need to be used wisely so they last longer. Third, production method should minimize pollution and waste. Fourth, traditional sustainable practice should be combined with modern technology. Fifth, fair distribution of resources is important for everyone benefits. देखिए ये इस चैप्टर के सारे ही इम्पोर्टेंट ही क्वेश्चन हैं, ठीक है। और ये जो हमारा न्यू सिलेबस उसके अकॉर्डिंग ये सारे क्वेश्चन हैं। अगर आपको क्वेश्चन अच्छे लगे तो आप कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं, और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ मुझे को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, साथ ही और बच्चों को भी शेयर करें ताकि उनको इसका फ़ायदा मिल सके। आज की वीडियो बस इतना ही, मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।